And our first guest is joining us via satellite from Toronto. Dr. Jeremy Clapp is a spokesperson for a company called Innovative Health Sciences Incorporated. Dr. Clapp, welcome to Health This Week.
Thanks very much, Don. It's a pleasure to be with you here today.
Well, Doctor, it's great to have you on the program. I want to talk about pain and inflammation. They probably represent two of the most frequent complaints of people, whether they stem from sports or auto injuries or maybe just getting older. Your company, Innovative Health Sciences, describes itself, which through its subsidiaries offers a line of joint and muscle creams, topical ointments, and health supplements. Tell us a bit about your products.
Sure, it'd be a pleasure. Innovative Health Sciences is a medical technology holding company, and at the present stage we're focusing on relief of pain. We're actively reviewing new potential products, and which will be synergistic to the ones that we've got at the present stage. And rather than looking at sort of absolute sharp-edge technology, we're looking at proven technology to decrease the risk for the company at this present stage.
Well, Doctor, I think you would agree with me that many people are tired of simply masking their pain with drugs. Am I correct?
Oh yes, it's a huge problem. There are probably 50–60 million people in the United States that have arthritis. Around the World Health Organization suggests 350 million, and over the next 10 to 15 years it is projected that this market will double in size. So as we're getting older, we're going to have an increase in the more chronic type of pain, but of course we've still got the same amount of acute pain from sports injuries, road accidents and things like that, yes.
Now, the company has a joint and muscle cream. I think it's called Zingiber RX. Can you tell us how that works?
Okay. The cream that we make is called Zingiber RX, and the active ingredient in this is an essential oil that is extracted from the rhizome or the roots of Zingiber casumina. This extract has been shown to have very strong anti-inflammatory and anti-pain properties. Now, the other advantages of this cream is that it is fast-acting, it is non-greasy, it doesn't produce any heat, and it's hypoallergenic. So we tested this on thousands of patients, and we're just having excellent results from the feedback from these patients. So it's a very powerful help to decrease pain, especially in people that have chronic pain.
You know, Doctor, when I was researching the company for this interview at your website, innovativehs.com, I saw another product called Ensonics, which is a sound-based treatment program. Tell us about Ensonics.
Yeah, Ensonics is a very interesting innovation here. It's an at-home device that allows the patient to treat themselves when they want, whatever time they want, maybe not as long as they want because we have a strict protocol which they have to follow. And our research and development department has recently completed the use now of a transducer to produce the sound pressure, and this will allow us to put the submersible transducer into a bath, and that means that we're able to treat the whole body at the same time, which is a great innovation in the relief of pain.
Now, of course, your Ensonics models, which are featured at your website, they're both FDA registered. Are there any known side effects to the treatment?
No, I don't think any of the treatment that comes from Ensonics has got any negative side effects whatsoever. We haven't had any reported. But of course, I suppose at some stage, yes, one person is going to come and say something has gone wrong. But as I said, no one in the thousands of people we've treated have we had any negative effects.
Well, Doctor, the company features another therapeutic treatment. You call it Aquasonics, which is a water-based treatment. Tell us about that.
Aquasonics is also similar to Ensonics, but we do it in a pool with a group of people, and it also combines low-impact exercise together with our sound pressure therapy. And one of the important things here is that obviously if you're in a therapeutic pool, you're not going to be by yourself. You'll be with a group of people, maybe 10 to 20 people. And there's an interplay between these people, and they augment their feelings, they talk about it, they make positive statements, and this all helps in the treatment, I believe, of chronic pain.
Well, Doctor, is there any data available, or we have any idea how many people are suffering from the types of chronic pain that your products and treatments can help?
Yes. The World Health Organization suggests that there are probably 350 million people in the world at the present stage that are suffering from chronic pain. I personally don't have any figures on acute pain. In the United States, 50 to 70 million people. The number varies with which report you read. But I think the important thing is that we're an aging population, and there's no question that the number of people suffering from chronic pain is going to increase dramatically. The World Health Organization is suggesting that over the next 10 to 15 years there will be a doubling of the people that have diseases such as arthritis. So the market is going to continually grow. But there's one other point that I'd like to make that I think is important, that the American College of Rheumatology has suggested that just pharmaceutical treatment of chronic pain is not the way to go. You need a basket of therapies, so it'll be pharmaceutical and non-pharmaceutical, and our treatment with sound pressure, our treatment with the cream at this present stage, obviously a non-pharmaceutical, so that we fit in very well with the present day treatments, and as far as we're aware, there are no deleterious effects caused by using this package of treatments. So I think it's definitely the way to go, of having a basket of treatments, and we fit in really nicely into that.
Well, Doctor, where can people go to buy your products or to get more information about them?
Well, we have obviously a web page, and we have a web store, arthritis.com, and in there I think you'll be able to see that we, for those of you who don't want to make a purchase of a whole tube of cream, we offer a sample that will last you for a couple of days. For those of you that want to get right onto the cream, because it'll have very good effects for you, you can purchase the cream directly off the website, and then of course you can do the same with the Ensonics at home.
Well, there you go. For a free sample, visit their website, ourarthritis.com. Again, the company is Innovative Health Sciences Incorporated. Our guest has been Dr. Jeremy Clapp. Dr. Clapp, thanks so much for joining us on the show.
I've enjoyed it. Thanks, Don.